lami lamampela sanokushova naku-app ufisa uphilile evergrand khowuhleza ne-idea fresh okutabalaza iphep athi she doesn't need a man saka-sick tired DPS I know she be capping and shit akekho cold and talking mode ku-defense uhet you she been hurt too many times cried too many nights right through kuyi-clever shayes by two zidle phansi akasathembi kuyi-smile isijenge-front or i-disguise inhliziyo ifake ebhodleleni uzinqabuzela iblood akasazishayi ngoku-entertainer nix oluhlangene ne-trunk uraythe off uthando uyoza board ingabuyanga i-trust akusena category uraythe ayi-one isinge life ishap uhlohli okapi kwi-bra ulinde ibhar ethatha i-chance she was raped i-perpetrate ibise out within a month iyatanasa la ngaphandle i-justice imlethe down ufumbathisa i-bribe urhato ophethe isak on my mama nami ngikuyicathulo zakhe ngabe ngibaseleke blind enhlaka usibosha ufila stuck uwish ube ne-father figure bezomhoya ama-advice manje lenje yamithisa uma-olady yadla phansi uma-olady akafundanga ureza ingane zabo basi abamhayisa ama-peanuts ubuye ekhaya once a month azangadlala ukhule fast umzali embona ngama-chance i-independence was i-must ube-expecta lama-flower valentine ube-expecta i-19 shining arm imvuse ngama-kiss nalama-hugs instead uthwala ama-blue eye kulabo guy niggas lying, niggas playing with their heart when she needed to be loved nje bambona as i-item abayuse uqeda last unebhadi uthanda ukuthanda ezingamthanda eziqhuba iwash usenedoubt uyi-material aka-wife I'm confused amenza i-psycho lama-ex is hard ukubona i-outer right buka bamenzini juice bosh buka bamenzini juice bosh juice bosh buka bamenzini juice bosh buka bamenzini juice bosh
I see it took you some time for you to realize that she ain't getting no love. Buka bamenzini usposh buka bamenzini usposh 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 I see it took you some time for you to realize that she ain't getting no love. Buka bamenzini usposh buka bamenzini usposh usposh
etakusposh akusese-socialite akasathemba abantu upbringing kasposh rough ukhule kudlalwa ngayo ungena kuma-social media makadinge attention astrip itlave thirsty definite uyazi ispress ulike ugcine kudala uku-heavy fun ufila left out umcela uthando chepat ukhethela ama-breakdowns and set nights ibhare eningi bezikhiphela i-stress sazo phezu kwakhe ilife yakhe ibi-messed up iyi-circus